Dad, did your father take you camping like this?
Swampy. Little baby gators. Yeah, go catch them. Grab them quick.
Dang it!
Dad. Oh, bring them back here.
Go on.
Oh man, nice.
Ready?
Go. Yeah, baby. Raccoon.
Yeah, raccoon panda!
You're gonna find out why they're called snapping turtles.
Despite not having a father growing up, nature has always been a constant source of solace and connection for me.
We got a little faux head here. Nice little brim. Look at that, dude. Now he's a little small. We'll pop him back.
Okay.
Nice catch.
You want to let him have the worm?
Nope. Keep using it. Let's toss him back. Whee!
Hey, fishing is wilting, Dad.
You're so confident now. You haven't been fishing long enough to say that.
Daddy, we're gonna get a kiss. One kiss for this baby.
I love you. Bye.
We'll see you in a few days, okay? Let me know when I'm picking you up.
Ready, Bert? Right in there, buddy. Now you stay right in the center seat. You don't lean over the side. Beautiful. Wow, look, there's somebody that lives over here. That's wild. Imagine that, living right here. I think I could live over here. How about you? Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to push us here. Phew. We're at the very start, King's Landing. Koa and Dad. Earthing out, baby.
Oh, look at all the fish! Fish! More fish jumping.
Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at this water.
I want to get out right now.
We got a ways to go, dude. Long paddle ahead of us. I bet we're the only ones going this way this morning, too. Ooh, what was that? Gator? First gator? Coming this way. It's either a gator or an otter. Oh, an otter, check it out. First otter. And so here's your job. Your job is to look and find the path in front of us, the channel. Don't get us into the lily pads. Don't get us into anybody's dock. All right? All right. There you go. Yeah. There you go. 4-wheel drive. What is this, an airboat? On top. Knuckles like this. Hand on top. There you go. Down here at the base. Not that far down. Whoa, whoa. Push, push.
Four-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive. Activate.
Oh, turtle.
Sorry, buddy. We're stuck on your log here. Ah, we made it. We made it. Dang it. Getting there. Trying to push backwards. Don't lean over, Bert. Let Dad do it. Push. There. About free. There we go. Around. Keep turning. Paddle hard. We got it. These guys are gonna have to cut that log. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Hold on. It's all right, man. I'm gonna get us out of this. Woo.
Got us.
Uh-oh, Bert. You're stuck. Get your paddle out. forget to scream. This big old 16-foot canoe. And all these little narrow passages with these down trees is challenging in the first 5 miles. But totally worth it. I'd rather be on this canoe than in my work van going to a job, fix somebody's house. Yeah, so the Tomokan Indians lived here for thousands of years, Koa. And they weren't nomadic in a sense, they were settlers on these rivers, the Wekiwa Rivers, the St. John's, and they used these waterways as their highways in a sense. This is where they stopped. This was kind of like their grocery store. You know, they would spearfish for bass, brim, catch turtles, eat alligators, literally anything. Occasionally a manatee. And along the way here, you can see, or at least we're hoping to see, the remnants of shell mounds. And shell mounds are just basically they're trash pits. Clams, mollusks, different animals, and they would collect along the banks of this river. And thousands of years later, modern man comes along and says, "What's this?" and examines the remnants and finds the diet of the ancient Tomokan Indians. Woo! Hey, beautiful cypress.
Dad, I got.
How does it smell?
Dad, I got some cypress sticks.
Cool. How's it smell?
So good.
So good?
Keep going.
Love it. Man, to be out here in the fresh air every day, not having to pay a mortgage. They settle along these shores here, you know, and they weren't so much nomadic, but they did travel up and down the waterways, trading and hunting, fishing, foraging. They knew what plants to eat for medicine. They knew what
Beer bottle.
what was edible, what was not edible, what was poisonous, obviously. Beer bottle, dude, I want to get that. Be on the lookout for trash. I mean, this is heaven.
What is that?
Not a shell mound. Oh, dude, look at this, Koa. This is beautiful.
Wait, Dad, can we stop right there?
Right.
Oh,
Is there? Hey, there's some sunglasses right there.
Oh.
Yeah, right here.
Dad, the milkweed.
Oh yeah, I bet you some raccoon came over here and he was eating this.
Or a Tomokan.
Oh, they're long gone, buddy. Think you can?
Go.
Whoa. Whoa. One at a time. Don't bounce it.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Oh, that's so good.
Grab those glasses. It's trash. Let me do the gator watch. Come back this way, Bert. I don't know if there's a gator around the corner. Yeah, we should get going. There's a lot of rain clouds and we got to set up camp.
Dad, I need help.
Down here.
You give a kid a paddle, and I'm already way better than I was. Right, at paddling?
Yep, you are. Whoa, Koa, look down, look down. Look down, there's a gator underneath us. Did you see him? Yeah, a little gator underneath us. Oh, we got a wolf spider in here. No doubt from hitting all the branches. Whoa, look at this. Oh, dude. Hey, is this our site? This is it. This is otter camp.
Can I get out? I can push it there.
Look around for gators before you say that.
Don't see any gators.
What? Let me push this over.
I mean, I got one.
What'd you get?
Water skier? Look. Got him.
Okay. Sweet. No, the long poles. Here.
On my neck.
You want some spray on your neck? Here. Mm-hmm. Nice. I'll zip this up so I don't get any bugs in there. This guy right here. Woo!
One of them.
Okay.
Worms work.
Yeah, the worm worked, bro.
Got it. I do not know what species they are. I karate kicked them.
All right, we're gonna cut some firewood up. This kid is catching all the ditch pickles. Let's see that beauty.
Pickle jumped off my hook.
I want to start this fire, okay?
I caught 2 in one catch. Daddy.
Nice, they're cute.
They could be good bait.
This is some homemade pizza dough that my wife made. Sure.
Okay.
You want?
Okay, one.
Here.
I want to see it.
Now we have to get that thing out of there and onto the plate.
Luck getting that thing out.
It's like a bubble.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
It'll be probably a little hot. Let
You
me try.
get.
That's pretty good. Dude,
That's
so good.
yeah.
All right, I'm gonna make a second one with pepperoni. It's pretty good, huh?
Best camp out ever.
It's totally worth it.
Ah, ah.
Uh-oh.
It was a travel alone.
Did you get him? Sorry, buddy. It makes insect number 9,000.
Well, I can't.
Is he biting you again?
He's
Where?
just. Ow, my knee hurts.
Take your pants off and see if you can get him out of. Oh, you're fine. That is nothing. All the wasp stings you've had, the snake bites you've had, and you're gonna be done in with a little tiny ant.
Dad,
Yeah.
I've never been bit by a snake.
Yeah, you have. The black racer bit you when you caught it, don't you remember? And the corn snake. Remember, you were bleeding on your hand, the one that was climbing up the wall on Nina and Granddaddy's house?
Oh yeah, but
It seems kind of silly that you're gonna cry over a little carpenter ant.
it felt like it had multiple stings.
Well, they can sting you multiple times. Bet you never had pizza on a camp out, have you, Koa?
So I'm gonna go
All right, you better go eat it before the bugs get it.
Can you protect it with kung fu?
If I knew kung fu, I would. Somebody better protect it from me. I'm gonna eat it.
No, Dad, don't.
It's about to go down, buddy. This crust is for you, baby Clover. Mmm, crunchy.
Could I have a bite?
It's like a pizza crouton. Huge gator at our camp. Otter camp, he just cruised in. I just got out of the water. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's right there. Cruising back. He's about 6-7 feet long. Look at him cruising underwater. Giant dinosaur. Got something crashing through the woods over here.
I heard a frog.
I know. Shh. Was that a fart? Or a frog?
No, that was a frog. That was a tree frog.
A tree frog. Okay.
Oh.
Bro, you better go get your pizza, man.
Oh no.
Boom! Not bad for a little Dutch oven. Anna, we love you. Thanks for making this dough for us.
Yeah.
Mm.
So fluffy.
Do you see him? There he is. This gator's been hanging out here all day, waiting for us to slip and fall to our death.
Or pry his mouth open.
Yeah, you got. Don't fall in. We're gonna go take a walk over here, check out the sunset. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna turn the camera around right now so you guys at home can check it out. Oh, and I just realized something.
Yeah.
We never introduced ourselves. What's your name, sir?
Koa.
And I'm Daniel. Thanks for watching. If you've watched this far, we appreciate it. Now check this out. Ooh, there's a raccoon. He's coming over to our camp. Yeah, get him!
I'm gonna go back to camp to save it.
He's going for your pizza! Go, go. He's gonna get our pizza! Oh wait, your pizza's in your hand.
Yeah.
That fat raccoon.
That one.
Whoa, this is seriously beautiful. Wow. Totally worth the effort getting out here. I guess this would be the ranger trail coming out. Oh, Koa found a hat. We found a glove. We needed a glove. We forgot our glove for paddling, and I was like, man, I forgot the glove. We got to the campsite. I walked out here to collect firewood, and what was on the trail was a glove. Don't you just love when that happens?
Yeah.
What are you doing? There's Nova the raccoon. I don't know if you guys can see him. This raccoon is very persistent. Oh man, we got some rain last night. Hot coffee. Persistence like Nova. Got some biscuits and gravy. I'm gonna go help Koa. He's having a hard time. All right, you got the milk, the flour too.
Dad,
Let me see this.
I think that might be enough.
Get that in there. Add a little bit more flour in there. Get that going. That tree, look at the steam coming off the tree.
Breakfast ready now.
Pretty close. I'll let that thicken up. I'm gonna put these on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little biscuit in the middle. It's actually pretty good. Oh, these biscuits are good. Wash this out. All right, cool. All right. Bye, Otter Camp. Bye, Nova the raccoon, you persistent little creature who haunted our night. Whoa, Gar. Here's some gator calls. Miles. 8 miles. So we just pulled off on this little sandbar right here. Koa wanted to do some fishing. That's a good spot for it. I don't see any gators. We just got these little gulp red wiggler imitations. See how they do. Ooh, got a bite. Here we go.
What did he get? I'm gonna toss over there.
Sure is pretty. I tossed right over into that little nook. All right, bud. We're gonna get out of this spot. Reel him in, buddy, reel him in.
Oh, got him.
Oh, I got one too. Oh, got a big one. Oh, reel him in, reel him in.
I can't. Oh, he's strong, Daddy.
Whoa, what'd you get, man? Hold on, hold on, hold on. You got the fish of the trip, I think, buddy. Let him run.
Oh, yeah, he's a catfish.
Cat? Ah, bring him back here. Swing him back towards Dad. All right, buddy. Nice little channel cat. Look at that beautiful catfish.
Oh, got him.
Oh man, nice. Yep. Got some catfish.
I got a catfish.
Yeah, a little like 4-footer, 3-4 footer. It's cute.
Heck him.
You want to jump on him?
Yeah. Gator.
Hey, gator. Well, catfish gave you a pretty good fight. How's that feel?
Good.
It's a hot one, man. I bet it's over 100 degrees here today. Our second campsite. Right there on that embankment. See that sand pile right there? That's where we're going.
There are so many tricks in this place. Okay.
Dude, no way. Another hat. This one's better than the other one. That's a kid's hat. You might upgrade on that one. This is a cool sight. Dude, look at all the trash people are leaving. Not cool. Hey, you got some bug repellent. And some rope. Okay, cool. Dude, we have to take all that trash out of there to make a fire.
People are so dumb.
All right, we're gonna set up camp. Go, that's one steak. Ah! Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna do this. Cole's gonna set up a minnow trap.
Yes. A plastic water bottle. Oh, we're gonna do this.
All right, you put the food in here, and then you shove that in. And they're too dumb to swim out. That's your fish trap. Some beef jerky in there.
Oh yeah, beef jerky.
That's all you need. Oh, put a little sand in it too so it sinks. Look how many you're gonna catch. Oh my gosh, they're going in, they're going in. We might actually catch all of them. Okay, it's loaded. Pick it up. Let's see. Here, show us how many you got. Oh yeah, check them out. Woo! Well, that took about 5 seconds to catch 15 minnows. Try to catch the big fat ones so we can use them for bait.
Yeah, but I'm gonna let these guys go, okay?
Well, as you can see, we did set up right here up front. 1, there's a breeze. 2, the fire ring is just loaded with trash. I mean, the previous campers did not pick up after themselves. And this is an ongoing theme, which is a shame because this area is pristine and beautiful otherwise. It's just humans coming in here and trashing up the place, beer bottles, plastic. It's a shame. You know, pack it out, pack it in. Pack it in, pack it out. Oh, that was a brim right there, man. You just got that dragonfly. Oh, you just got hung up. Oh no, snag. Oh, it happens. Stole my worm. Plunker. That's not funny. Yeah, I did. Caught that on camera. Oh, it's so slimy. So slimy. Huh? Ooh. That sucks. Feeling pretty exhausted right now, so we're gonna have some coffee. Trying to get a gator.
So I
watch your feet. Ooh, boy. Let's put this over here. That looks good. There you go.
Yeah.
Taste the goodness. Everything tastes better when you're hungry.
Yeah.
There's two baby gators.
I can go jump on that one.
Aw. They're coming in to feed on those.
Minnows.
They're hunting. Right there, straight through. Flies are terrible. There's a little my Whew. It's better. What the hell was that?
I forgot we took the
I'm gonna get some water out here in a second. That dad paddle, I don't want to stir it up. I need some water. Pull the cup out, the sleeve cup out, and then press it in. All right, now take that colored cup, not that one. That's your filter. Put that one down. Dip that one under the water. Okay. Now, put the sleeve on top and push down. It's gonna take a lot of work. Little baby gators.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. I got them right here. Ah, look, go catch them. Grab.
Dang it! Tomorrow I will catch one.
Found the baby gator? Cool. Where is he at? Where?
Spooked him. He went down.
Oh, was that his eyeball right there? That bubble?
No.
How big is he?
He's little.
Oh my gosh, for real?
Yeah, baby.
Well, watch out.
Baby turtle!
Where?
I'll catch him. Got him.
Cool, bring him here.
That's a baby turtle.
Is he a snapper? Yeah. Let's see this little guy. Oh, look at him. That's a little baby snapping turtle. Look at his little attitude here. Hey guys, watch out, don't put your finger. He will snap you. Oh my God, he's so cute. What are you gonna name him?
Snappy.
Snappy? Don't put your fingers in his mouth. Oh my gosh.
Snappy the snapper.
You're gonna find out why they're called snapping turtles.
Bye, Snappy.
Bye, buddy. Go. Swim. He's eating these minnows.
Go chase him.
There he goes.
No.
Nice. Well, it's raining again.
Yeah!
Not a bad view. Oh no, it could be worse. We could be those guys in the boat. We're beat. The no-see-ums are out real bad right now, so we're in the tent, and I think we're gonna call it a night. And tomorrow we have about a nine-ish mile paddle past Katie's Landing, where we will be finding a primitive campsite. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can find something good. And then from there, we will be heading to our final destination, High Banks Landing. So, it should be fun. Hopefully the weather will hold out and we can finish the entire Wekiwa River. So, yoo-hoo!
We have a beautiful sunrise over the river this morning. On days like this, it's very easy to be thankful. The game plan today is to paddle to Wilson's Landing. It's changed. We had originally planned to make the 27-mile plus journey to the end of the Wekiwa River system. However, the weather has taken a turn. Tomorrow, Friday, supposed to be thunder, lightning storms all day. And as you can see, our little tarp system here is for light showers only. I probably should have been a little more prepared with that, but it is what it is. We will adjust and adapt the next time around. And well, just looking forward to get back out on the water. Boy, the no-see-ums are terrible right now, so I'm gonna let you guys go. One foot in, push off with the other foot. Gotcha. Hop in. Goodbye. Buffalo tram.
Oh, we left our hat.
Oh, well, we didn't bring that hat. Somebody else did. We'll leave it for the next camper. That's a beauty. Oh man, look at this one, Cole. Look at this. Beauty, huh? Here we go. We're gonna let you go. She'll let you go. Woo! And you still got your worm. You guys can see that in the camera. Beautiful. Well guys, I had a fantastic time filming this Wekiwa adventure here with my son Koa, and we hope you had a great time earthing out with us. If you connect with real family, real outdoors, and real good times, then hit that like and subscribe button, because we have plenty of trails and waterways waiting to be explored. Yeah!